In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge hatch in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to combine multiple hatch areas into one clean editable hatch and couldn't find a built-in command, you're not alone. AutoCAD doesn't include a native merge hatch command, so we'll use a small helper file, known as a Lisp routine, created by the user community to add this functionality. Here's the plan. First, you'll need the merge hatch lisp file. This is a lightweight script that plugs into AutoCAD and creates the merge command for you. Open your web browser and search for merge hatch lisp. You'll see several options, because many users want this exact capability and have shared their solutions. Choose a reputable source, look for a file with the .lsp extension, and download it to a location you can find easily, like your desktop or a project tools folder. As with any downloadable tool, make sure you trust the source. And, if you're on a work computer, follow your company's policies. Next, open your drawing in AutoCAD. With the .lsp file ready, simply drag and drop it into the drawing area. AutoCAD will load the routine and usually confirm this at the command line. If you see a security prompt asking whether to load the program, review it and proceed only if you're comfortable with the source. Once loaded, the script installs a new command for merging hatches. Now it's time to use it. Follow the on-screen instructions shown in your command line or the guidance provided with the download. Typically, you'll start the new command and be prompted to select the hatch objects you want to combine. For best results, pick hatches that use the same pattern, scale, and angle, and that touch or overlap. This helps the routine create a single continuous hatch without conflicts. After you've made your selection, confirm as prompted, usually by pressing Enter, and let the routine process the merge. Keep an eye on the command line. It will tell you when the operation is complete. If something doesn't merge as expected, check for small gaps in boundaries, mismatched hatch properties, or locked layers. It can help to try merging in smaller groups or standardizing hatch settings first. As a general tip, it's smart to save or make a quick backup before running any new routine, so you can easily roll back if needed. And that's it. You've added a community-made merge hatch tool to AutoCAD, run it, and simplified your drawing by combining multiple hatches into one. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.